Now we are going to discuss conic sections hyperbola. So what is hyperbola? Hyperbola is a set of all points in a plane such that the difference of the distance from each point of the set from the fixed points foci in the plane is constant. So example, write the equation of the hyperbola whose center is at 2 and 3 and it has vertical transverse axis. So we have this A is 4 and our B is 6. So we're going to use this formula. Y is equals to k squared over a squared minus x minus h squared over b squared is equals to 1. So next is we're going to substitute that one. So we have this y minus 3 squared over 4 squared minus x minus 3 squared over 6 squared is equals to 1. So since our a and b is squared, so we're going to multiply that one by itself. So we have this y minus 3 squared over 16 minus x minus 3 squared over 36 is equals to 1. So this is now our standard equation. So next is we're going to solve for general equation. So the quantity of y minus 3 squared over 16 minus x minus 2 squared over 36 is equals to 1 to the power of 288. So next steps that we're going to do is we're going to divide the 218 divided by 16 is equals to 18, and 288 divided by 36 is we have this negative 8. So that's why we come up this 18 times y minus 3 squared minus 8 times x minus 2 squared is equals to 288. So after that, we're going to multiply the y minus 3 squared by itself and x minus 2 squared by itself. So we come up this 18 times y squared minus 6y plus 9 minus x squared minus 8 times x squared minus 4x plus 9 is equals to 288. So after that, we're going to evaluate that one. So we come up this 18y squared minus 108y plus 162 minus 8x plus 32x minus 32 is equals to 208. So after that, we come up this 18x squared plus 18y squared plus 32x minus 108y minus 158 is equals to 0. So that is now our general equation. So next example, the equation of the asymptote are 3x minus 2y is equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y is equals to 0. Horizontal transverse axis and passes through 2 and 0. Write the equation of the hyperbola. So our a is 2 and our b is 3. So we have this 3x minus 2y is equals to 0. We have this negative 2y over negative 2 is equals to 3x over negative 2. So after that, we're going to simplify that one. We have this y is equals to 3x over negative 2. So we have this positive and negative 3x plus 2. So our center is 0, 0, and our vertices is negative 2 and 0 and positive 2 and 0. So now we're going to find the center or our h and k. So we have this x minus h squared over a squared minus y minus k squared over b squared. So we're going to substitute that one. We have this x squared over 2 squared minus y squared over 3 squared is equals to 1. So again, we're going to simplify that one. We have this x squared over 4 minus y squared over 9 is equals to 1. So that's it. Thank you for watching.